Okay, we are out here in Scranton at the old Scranton Iron Furnaces for the Anthracite Museum. Here's a railroad tie, probably made in the iron furnaces.
Making steel.
Yep. It says in 1875 they installed the Bessemer converters in order to process their pig iron into steel. That's making iron into steel. Here's the top of one of the old iron furnaces.
That would not feel good if somebody fell.
Oh no. Well, there's 4 of these.
City of Scranton.
Yep, it grew from a village into a city through the success of ironworks, coal mines, and railroads. What it says.
Oh. And another one. Oh. This one looks... And that's a long way down.
Yeah, it is.
Some of this looks like new ones. What's that brick wall?
It's not though. It's not. It's all hundreds of years old. Almost 200 years old.
I mean, like, look at these other bricks. Ooh, visitors.
Now let's go down and check out the bottom. Up. And there's where the train would come in too.
Oh, that's neat. Oh, they
Yep, the
moved
train
these.
tracks are right there behind it.
Oh, I see it. How did the train accidentally went on this road?
Well, trains can go through here. They do still come through here.
Really?
Yep, they just don't stop here anymore.
That's neat. And it goes down.
Yep.
You can eat it. Oh. These are like little buildings.
Yep.
Pretty sure this is like a map.
Yep, that is a map of Scranton, bud.
Really? That's
Yep.
whole Scranton?
Saying the railroad is saved because of the iron furnace. The iron mills. Construction of the first furnace was on September 11th, 1840. That was almost 200 years ago, bud. Yep. Come on. Yeah, look at the Lackawanna River there.
That's a Lackawanna River?
Yep, that's the same one that goes behind our house.
Oh, really?
Yep.
That's neat.
A nice little fishing hole right there. I bet there's catfish in that hole. Yep, they use the water as energy. Yep. Cast. Yep, that's how they. That says the cross section of an anthracite blast furnace. That's how they melted it.
So I'm guessing this part is down here.
Yep.
Somewhere.
And this
where
is how they
goes
would
to
roll it out into the steel beams.
Oh.
Yep. Come on.
This is a neat little place.
Let's go back here.
Oh, this is just like a dead end. Ooh, door. Oh, there actually is something back here.
Yep. Oh, this is inside. They got it closed off though. Yep.
I don't think I'm tall enough to climb this.
Well, you're not supposed to climb it. That's why it's locked. This is what the bottom of the furnaces look like.
Oh. That's actually cool.
Yeah.
And I was correct. That's on the top of it. Just
Yep.
above. They could actually probably still make steel from the steel.
Yep. This is the tunnels in between. Here's another one.
Oh, this one's from one of the open ones.
Yep.
Oh, nice.
This is in between again. The tunnels between.
You're a welder or somebody who smelts like metal. There's a lot. I wonder what's in that.
Those are just the tunnels that go in between. There's a whole walkway behind it. Yep. Yep. And here's the last one. What?
We can go around and there might be another one. There's only a first wall. Yeah, also. Oh, little pipe.
Yep.
I like this place. Want to check out the this random rock final?
It's an old stove.
Oh, so?
That's what it looks like.
It is.
Yeah. Yep. Here's the Lackawanna River that runs right behind it. I'm sure there's lots of trout in there, bud. That's perfect trout waters. Yep. Yep, these are all railroad ties.
Railroad?
Yep, these are the type of things trains go on.
Oh. Oh.
That's a rock, bud.
I don't really see a rock. I usually see cars.
Yep.
You'll be seeing the mines. Look, we'll see some mines.
Yep, we'll go check out some mines soon. Well, that's all she wrote of the Scranton iron furnaces. Catch y'all in the next one. Any last words? Peace.